Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi A3 wing mirror glass. First, gather all necessary tools, including a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, and your new replacement mirror glass. Make sure the new glass is specifically designed for your Audi A3 model to ensure a perfect fit and proper function. Working in a well-lit and clear area will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Having everything ready beforehand saves time and prevents interruptions during the replacement. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror glass. Gently use your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the old mirror glass away from its housing. Be cautious to avoid damaging the paint or the mirror assembly itself. Once loose, disconnect any heating wires that might be attached to the back of the glass. Finally, take a moment to clean the mirror housing thoroughly, removing any debris or broken glass fragments before proceeding. With the old glass removed and the housing clean, it's time to install your new mirror. If your new glass has heating elements, carefully connect the heating wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of the new mirror. Next, align the new glass with the clips or mounting points inside the mirror housing. Gently but firmly press the glass into place until you hear or feel it click securely, ensuring it is flush and stable. Finally, test the mirror's adjustment and heating functions to confirm everything works correctly. Adjust the mirror to your preferred viewing angle and ensure the heating element, if present, is operational. Remember to regularly clean your mirrors for optimal visibility and safety on the road. And speaking of smart choices, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Taking these small steps ensures your new mirror lasts and keeps you safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.